The clouded leopard, Neofelis nebulosa, is a fascinating and elusive big cat native to the forests of Southeast Asia. Here are 90 amazing facts about clouded leopards. Distribution: clouded leopards are found in the forests of Southeast Asia, including parts of Nepal, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, and southern China. Size: they are medium-sized big cats, with males weighing between 31 to 50 kilograms, 68 to 110 pounds, and females weighing between 23 to 41 kilograms, 50 to 90 pounds. Coat: clouded leopards have a unique coat pattern, with large, cloud-like spots on their body, which gives them their name. Coloration: their fur can vary in color from gray to ochre, with a white belly and dark, irregular spots and streaks. Tail: they have a long tail, which is often as long as their body, helping with balance in the trees. Arboreal adaptation: clouded leopards are highly adapted for an arboreal, tree-dwelling, lifestyle, with powerful limbs and sharp, retractable claws. Agility: they are excellent climbers and can descend trees head first, a skill not possessed by many other big cats. Nocturnal: these cats are primarily nocturnal, being most active during the night. Solitary: clouded leopards are generally solitary animals, with adults coming together primarily for mating. Vocalizations: they communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including growls, meows, and chuffing sounds. Diet: their diet consists mainly of mammals like deer, pigs, and small primates, as well as birds. Hunting style: clouded leopards are known for their stealthy approach while hunting. They often pounce on their prey from a treetop. Cubs: females give birth to a litter of 1 to 5 cubs after a gestation period of about 85 to 93 days. Eyesight: they have well-developed eyesight, adapted to low light conditions, aiding in their nocturnal activities. Captive breeding: there have been successful breeding programs for clouded leopards in captivity, contributing to their conservation. Vulnerable status: the clouded leopard is listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List due to habitat loss and poaching. Life expectancy: in the wild, they typically live around 11 years, while they can live longer in captivity, sometimes reaching up to 17 years. Canine teeth: clouded leopards have relatively long canine teeth compared to their skull size. Cranial adaptations: they have large upper canine teeth that are proportionately longer than those of any other big cat, adapting them for a hypercarnivorous diet. Retractable claws: like other big cats, clouded leopards have retractable claws, which they use for climbing and hunting. Conservation efforts: various organizations and governments are working to conserve clouded leopard populations through habitat protection and anti-poaching measures. Fossils: the clouded leopard is believed to have evolved around 1.4 million years ago based on fossil evidence. Species name: the scientific name, Neofelis nebulosa, is derived from the Greek word neo, meaning new, and the Latin word felis, meaning cat. Hybrids: there have been cases of clouded leopards hybridizing with other big cat species, such as leopards. Endangered subspecies: the Sunda clouded leopard, Neofelis diardi, found on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra, is considered a separate species and is listed as vulnerable. Tail for balance: the long tail of clouded leopards serves as a counterbalance, especially when moving through the trees. Marking territory: clouded leopards mark their territory using scent markings and scratches on trees. Conservation challenges: the main threats to clouded leopards include habitat destruction, hunting for their beautiful pelts, and conflicts with humans. Habitat range: they can inhabit a variety of environments, from tropical rainforests to grassland areas. High altitudes: clouded leopards have been found at elevations of up to 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet. Rare sightings: due to their elusive nature, clouded leopards are rarely seen in the wild. Cave drawings: ancient cave paintings in China depict clouded leopards, indicating their historical presence. Genetic diversity: the clouded leopard exhibits low genetic diversity, which can pose challenges for their long-term survival. Camera traps. Conservationists often use camera traps to monitor clouded leopard populations in the wild. Illegal trade. Clouded leopards are sometimes illegally traded for their skins and body parts, contributing to their decline in the wild. Tail length variability. The length of a clouded leopard's tail can vary, with some individuals having longer tails than others. Cryptic coloration. Their coat color and pattern provide effective camouflage in the dappled sunlight of the forest. Zoological collections. Clouded leopards are often kept in zoos and wildlife sanctuaries to raise awareness about their conservation needs. Hind limb strength. Clouded leopards have powerful hind limbs, aiding in their ability to leap and climb. Overlap with tigers. In some regions, clouded leopards share their habitat with tigers, and their populations may overlap. Reproductive age. Females reach sexual maturity around 2 years of age, while males typically mature later. Territorial behavior. They are territorial animals, and their territories can vary in size depending on factors like food availability. Pupil shape. Clouded leopards have round pupils, distinguishing them from big cats like lions and tigers, which have slit-shaped pupils. Scapula adaptations. Their scapula, shoulder blade, is uniquely attached to the spine, allowing for a greater range of movement in climbing. Facial whiskers. Like many cats, clouded leopards have sensitive whiskers on their face that help them navigate in low-light conditions. Elongated canines. The upper canines of clouded leopards are the longest relative to skull size among all living felines. Tail tip pattern. The tip of their tail often has a unique pattern, which can be used for individual identification. Rainforest dwellers. Clouded leopards are well adapted to living in the dense vegetation of rainforests. Habitat fragmentation. The fragmentation of their habitat due to human activities is a significant threat to clouded leopards. Nepal's national animal. The clouded leopard is the national animal of Nepal. Unique chromosomes. Clouded leopards have a unique chromosomal pattern, differing from other big cats. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas is crucial for the conservation of clouded leopards. Reduced range. Their range has significantly reduced due to deforestation and human development. Palm oil impact. Deforestation for palm oil plantations poses a threat to the clouded leopard's habitat. Cub independence. Clouded leopard cubs become independent around 10 months of age. Zoological breeding success. Some zoos have successfully bred clouded leopards in captivity, contributing to the genetic diversity of the population. Caudal vertebrae number. Clouded leopards have a high number of caudal, tail, vertebrae compared to other big cats. National symbol. Besides Nepal, the clouded leopard is also a cultural symbol in some indigenous communities. Interactions with other predators. Clouded leopards may compete with other predators, such as leopards and dholes, for prey. Adaptations for night hunting. They have large eyes with vertical slits, helping them see well in low light conditions.